Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are fine. I am Dr. Sanjay Pincha, practicing as a consultant dermatologist at Canada Corner, Nasik. Today, we are going to discuss about urticaria and its a trigger, which will help you understand the disease better. If you have skin or red colored bumps that appear and disappear quickly, then it's unlikely to be a simple bug bites. The skin rash could be urticaria, and the itching from urticaria may range from mild to severe. This urticaria affects about 20% of people at some time during their lives. Scratching, alcoholic beverages, exercise, or emotional stress may worsen the itching. If you think you might have urticaria, please consult your dermatologist. Most common symptom is the itchy raised bumps, either skin or red colored, and blanching on pressure. Symptoms can last anywhere from minutes to months or years also. While they resemble bug bites, urticaria are different, presents in different way. Like urticaria can appear on any area of the body. They may change shape, move around, disappear, appear, reappear over a short period of time. The bumps, red or skin colored, wheals with a clear edges, usually appear suddenly and go away just as quickly. Pressing the center of the red hives make it turn white, and this process is called as blanching. There are two types of urticaria, short-lived, that is acute urticaria, and a long-lived is a chronic urticaria. Neither is typically life-threatening, though any swelling in the throat or any other symptom that restrict breathing requires immediate emergency care. What are trigger factors for urticaria? Some foods, especially peanuts, nuts, eggs, shellfish, in daily uses, sometimes you are unknowingly eating them, can cause urticaria. Medications such as antibiotic like penicillin sulfa or painkiller like aspirin, ibuprofen can cause urticaria. Insect bite, stings, physical stimuli such as pressure, cold, exercise, sun exposure also can cause urticaria. There are some contact with latex gloves, blood transfusion also cause urticaria. There are known to be caused by infection also, like bacterial infection, including urinary tract infection or throat infection, also cause urticaria. Viral infection, including common colds, hepatitis, or infectious mononucleosis. Sometimes pet dander, pollens, or some plants also can cause urticaria. Some cases urticaria last for more than 6 weeks or can last more months or years. This condition is known as chronic urticaria, and those less than 6 weeks, that is called as acute urticaria. What is physical urticaria? In physical urticaria, physical cause is there, such as exposure to cold, exposure to heat, cold, pressure. Common trigger includes rubbing or scratching. This is the most frequent cause of physical urticaria. Symptoms appear within few minutes in the place that was rubbed or scratched and typically last less than an hour. Pressure or constriction or delayed pressure urticaria can appear as a red swelling 6 to 8 hours after pressure has been applied, like belts or constrictive clothing, example, etc. Symptoms can also occur in parts of the body under constant pressure, such as soles of the feet. Change in temperature. Cold urticaria is caused by exposure to low temperature followed by rewarming. This can be severe. This can be severe or life-threatening if there is in general body cooling. For example, after plunge into the swimming pool. Higher body temperature like cholinergic urticaria is due to increase in the body temperature because of sweating or exercise or hot shower or anxiety. Sun exposure also cause urticaria. Solar urticaria, that is called as solar urticaria, and may occur within few minutes after exposure to sun. If you develop such kind of any symptoms, kindly consult your dermatologist for further details. Thank you.